So if you want to access Google Flow, what you need to do is to visit the URL labs.google.com. Okay, so I'm just going to type labs.google. Actually, it's just labs.google, and it will bring me up to this page. So I'm right here on this page, and the first featured AI tool here is Flow. So what I can just do here is to click Create with Flow in order to access it. Okay, so it's as simple as this. You can also just search Google Flow in your browser on Google, and it will show you the link where you can, the link you can click to access it. All right, so it has loaded up, and this is Google Flow. You can see here that it requires a Google AI subscription. So as at this moment, Google Flow is not free yet. It requires a Google AI subscription, as you can see below. So I'm just going to click Create with Flow and sign in with my Google account. So I just signed in to Google Flow using my Google account, and you can see here, I can't do anything. I can't generate anything if I don't get a subscription. So what I can do now is just to click this button here in order to get the subscription. All right, so I'll just close all of this now. And yeah, so you can see the two subscription tiers that you need to be on, that you can either be on in order to access Google Flow, include the Google AI Pro and the Google AI Ultra plan. Okay, so this first one here is the Google AI Pro plan, and it costs $20 per month. So when you subscribe to the Google AI Pro plan, you're going to get 1,000 monthly AI credits that you can use across Flow, Google Flow, and Risk. All right, so these credits are just among the other benefits that are included in this subscription. Okay, you can see other things like the Gemini app, Gemini Pro, the Notebook LM Pro 2, and other things, Gemini and Gmail Docs, and 2 terabytes of storage. So if you want to see the other plan, which is the Google AI Ultra plan, all you need to do is to click the See All Plans, and it will bring up that page that contains the Google AI Ultra subscription placed side by side with the Google AI Pro subscription, as you can see right now. So the Google AI Ultra plan is actually pricey. It costs $250 per month. So this one is basically for the movie industry. Let me put it like that. So for companies or YouTubers, that are already big and they need access to this Google AI tool for commercial purposes, okay, that's why it's priced like this. So you can see that when you do this subscription, you're going to be getting 12,500 monthly AI credits that you can use across Flow and Risk. Don't worry if you don't understand what credits are. I'm going to be showing you later what credits are and how they are consumed whenever you generate videos using Veo 2 or Veo 3. Okay, so this is the comparison. This is just what you need to know. When you get the Google AI Pro plan, you're going to be getting 1,000 monthly AI credits. This is what we are concerned about here. But if you get the AI Ultra plan, you are going to be getting 12,500 monthly AI credits. Also, if you subscribe to the AI Pro plan, you won't be able to use ingredients to video. So ingredients to video is a feature in Google Flow that allows you to add multiple images, okay, multiple ingredients to your video. So let's say you want to make a movie that contains, let me say, 5 different characters, and you want to make these characters consistent across every scene. Ingredients to video allows you to upload all of these media files and use them to create your videos. But the AI Pro actually has a feature which is the frames to video. I'm actually going to be talking about this later, but I just want to explain it a little bit now so that you understand what you're going to be getting and you'll be able to make the right subscription choice. Okay, so the frames to video allows you to upload an image that is going to be specifically used to start the video or to end the video. And you can also use that image, that particular image later, throughout the video. It works. So it's almost like the ingredients video. It's just that you will only be allowed to upload 2 images. Okay, just 2 images. Do you understand?
Lastly, there are some camera movements that you might not be getting in the Google AI Pro subscription. When you are making videos with Google Flow, it actually has a feature where you can choose a specific camera movement.
Whether it's panning to the left or panning to the right or coming from up to down, those camera movements, you can select any of them for a particular scene in your video. So you're going to be getting access to both of them in the AI Pro subscription and the AI Ultra subscription. Just that I believe the AI Ultra has more camera movements than the AI Pro subscription. Altogether, the AI Pro subscription is best for small creators. Okay,
It's perfect for those who just want to try out the features of Google Flow without breaking the bank. While the AI Ultra plan is meant for big creators, big YouTubers, the movie industry generally.
so if you can afford it, I would advise you go for the Google AI Ultra subscription.
It's totally worth it.
But if you feel like $250 per month is a lot, then you can just go for the Google AI Pro. Also, if you don't have the money right now to actually subscribe to the Google AI Pro plan, you can see here, you can get it for free for a month. Okay, so in order to take this course, you need to have access to either the AI Pro plan or the Google AI Ultra plan. But if you don't have the money, all you need to do is just to click this button,
Which allows you to access Google AI Pro for free.
all you need to do is to add your card and you won't be charged, but you'll just be given a free tier. Okay,
So it's going to be for just a month, but it's enough for you to practice everything that I will teach you in this course.
so that means if you're starting this course right now and you are getting your subscription, you need to complete this course within a month. It's not even a lot actually. You can do it, and I'm advising that you do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to add my card. So you can see now I just added my card to it, and so what I need to do now is to click the subscribe button, and I'm going to get access to Google AI Pro plan for free for a month. All right, so you can see all the featured benefits that I've gotten access to just by adding my card to my Google account. As simple as that. Now, welcome to Google Flow. In the next lessons, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do or the steps you need to take in order to create cinematic videos.
But what I need you to do right now is to go to labs.google.com,
select Google Flow, and get a subscription. Either you get the Google AI Pro 1 month free trial, or you just do the normal subscription, or
you just go for the AI Ultra plan.
okay, whichever one you choose, it's up to you. I already told you the benefits and you know what to do.